FF4 Euro HPC is the successor to the prior Fortissimo projects. It successfully demonstrates the business benefits of using high-performance computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and high-performance data analytics technologies for business in diverse industrial sectors such as manufacturing, healthcare, energy, e-commerce, environment transportation, engineering, and aeronautics. Each productively concluded experiment generates a success story with the intent to inspire HPC uptake in related industrial communities. We are presenting the FF4 Euro HPC success story entitled HPC-Based Navigation System for Marine Litter Hunting. This success story was produced in collaboration with the Italian National Competence Center for HPC. In this experiment, the SME Green Tech Solution SRL significantly increased the effectiveness of marine litter collection by integrating neural networks and deep learning logic into its existing approach. Green Tech Solution SRL is an Italian startup that is mixing artificial and collective intelligence, vision systems, and collaborative unmanned robots to provide an added value service. Its environmental service relies on AI controlling marine, terrestrial, and flying UVs with intelligent algorithms. Plastic is the most widespread, harmful, and persistent type of marine litter, which accounts for more than 80% of the litter found in the marine environment. Plastic litter harms marine wildlife and threatens the livelihoods of more than 2 billion people in commercial sectors such as aquaculture, fisheries, and tourism. The existing Green Tech Solution approach consisted of the use of an unmanned aerial vehicle to detect the litter and a very simple algorithm to predict the approximate speed and direction of its movement through the ocean.
Because of the inaccuracy of our existing solution, the UAV had to remain close to the litter to monitor any possible changes in its position. Furthermore, it only focused on one piece of litter at a time. This led to long recovery paths and times for the catamaran. Hence, the main aim of the experiment was to improve the prediction of the litter's trajectories and to generate an optimal recovery path for the catamaran, considering the trajectories of all nearby litter objects.
A new HPC-based approach that was developed in this experiment, named Litter Hunter, is able to predict the litter's various trajectories and thus calculate an optimized recovery trajectory in time and space through the use of 2 neural networks and a newly developed multi-objective algorithm.
The first neural network acquires the aerial images of litter, identifies their position, and classifies them in terms of size, materials, and buoyancy level. A second neural network acquires the trajectories of the observed litter and predicts trajectories of these objects by combining this information with meteorological and oceanographic data. Finally, a multi-objective optimization algorithm uses the predicted trajectories to compute the path to be followed by the catamaran to collect the most litter while minimizing recovery time and distance.
The FF4 Euro HPC experiment is expected to have a strong impact on the profitability of Green Tech Solution by offering a higher level of efficiency and autonomy at a reduced price, simultaneously improving profits on sales.
The service now allows an area of 1 km² to be covered in a single operation, allowing about 100 to 200 pieces of waste to be collected. Furthermore, as the neural networks improve over the years due to reinforcement learning, the system is estimated to allow up to 1,000 floating objects to be collected per km² of the area in a single day of operations.
Maritime municipalities will reduce their cleaning costs by up to 80% using the Green Tech Solution HPC-based approach. In the medium term, municipalities will benefit from a platform to predict floating waste on a local scale and improve their environmental planning. Continued action over time will enable the redevelopment of areas heavily affected by plastic pollution. FF4 Euro HPC. SME innovation through HPC. Get inspired. Visit www.ff4eurohpc.eu.